Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how I can play against the Tygem 2-dan player. So if you wanna be Tygem 2-dan, or now if you are staying at the 2-dan, then you can enjoy to watch this video. That it's gonna be really helpful for you. So let's just start from now. I'm handling the white and my opponent is black. Now he is using quite interesting tactics. Yeah. In the future, if I want to break the corner, I can get in around here. But anyway, now I can just play around here. Yeah, it's Joseki that you know. I'm just gonna use the normal one. I think maybe if you're around the Tygem 2 dan, you may know that. Of course, if your level is not, then you can study it right now. When it just jumps here, I have to play around the 3 space jump. Then this is a Joseki that we are using a lot. After this, we just finished the local fighting, and between white and black, both of us, we have a base, so black must go to big place. Right now, the left hand side and lower corner and the upper corner, yeah, everywhere is possible. Yeah, this is just this decision. Yeah, it's not like the where is the best to move. And after this, even now, okay, the one of the traditional joseki. When you guys are playing for this professional game, then you can't really see this move right nowadays. But it doesn't mean it should be disappear. Yeah, still it's quite valuable move. Yeah, so we really have to follow the even traditional joseki as well. Okay, just playing like a normal. Yeah. Okay, he just has played the two space jump, but he didn't answer. Yeah, he didn't defense here. So if you really want to punish, then normally we have to have a pincer and make it to jump out or just Kosumi. So my mission is breaking the lower side. That's my mission. It doesn't mean I can capture him. So just push him. Now we are fighting between this one stone and these two stones. So we really have to complete here. So he can decide to play. Oh, I wanted to say he can play stretch or jump or hane, but he just exchange one time and just approach. Hey, he really want to take the break the my base. So yeah, but he has a bad part when he plays here. Just simply I can, yeah, when I just hane, he will double hane. I have a cutting point, so I have no reason to hane right now. I can just stretch. Then now my one stone can try to beat this one stone. I'm talking about not just capture, just like I can, yeah, he just used this move. My basic answer is like jumping, jumping, jumping. But this time I can start use the Tesuji. Yeah, this is pretty hard Tesuji, but when I use it, I can surround the center. And this is gonna be my benefit. When he just wanna take my base, then I have to have a better control at the center. Yeah. So when he just connect here, even I can ask him whether he wanna capture. So if he captures this one stone, then I break his eye shape. After that, I can go back to block the center. Yeah. For those two weaknesses, I don't think they will be in really trouble, because after he cuts somewhere, he has no method to make the net or a ladder. Then that's okay. Yeah, I can, when for example when he cut here, I can just connect, and then when he saves this one stone, then I can break this door. So now actually black is pretty dangerous. Yeah. So now let's just see how he's gonna try to break for my tactics. Yeah, he is starting to use the tactics, but I just simply need to connect here. And when he makes one sente, after that he can't really use anymore, because now he is responsible to connect here in the future, so he can't really press really hard for me. So let's see which side he's gonna play the cut. So simply I can say his approach was too fast, and even the knight move was not the right method at that moment. Yeah. So now he must do that, otherwise he cannot catch up the chance. Okay, now if he just block, no, if he just cut me, then my next blocking is gonna be sente. so white doesn't really have a trouble. Yeah. So now, yeah, black is quite not easy to fight. Yeah. So but please don't misunderstand. When I stretch here, it doesn't mean black was gonna be captured. Just like knight's move was a bit too overplay. Yeah. But of course, this two space jump was supposed to play at the center first. But he wasn't. That's why I can have a chance to have a better fighting. Yeah, of course, when we are having the good local fighting, the good Tesuji method and good reading skill and good capturing race skill, and those things are quite necessary skill. So always, when you really want to, if you really want to improve and stronger than your level, then we really need to have exercise as well. Yeah. Yeah, now he can't really play any moves. Yeah, somehow I get to think yeah, he will spend more time. Yeah. Okay, now he finally decided to cut here. Okay, now as I told you, this is quite in danger. But now if I know how I can use the right Tesuji, black can't really surround the white. Yeah, now black stones are not really good enough for the outside, so he has to do that, but I can just stretch, and he must save this one stone. There is no other method. Yeah, and then when he saves that, just I can support my one stone, two stones, sorry. Yeah, if he, oh, now he used the Tesuji, but just like this is kind of overplay, I can just cut anywhere, and just my mission is saving this group. Yeah, so this is probably like over fighting. Yeah, so I was just, yeah, of course at the first time I used some difficult Tesuji and tactics. Yeah. Okay, now I have a two decision. I can even capture and then block. Then these two stones are dead. So it's really not easy to hold up the game. Yeah. Yeah, but you know, even though you have this situation, always we have to play carefully. Yeah, now however he wants to make fake eye for this, but the problem is that he is not even easy to save these two stones. Yeah. Let's see it. Yeah. Okay, he just played here. If you are worried about this situation, then of course you can capture one time. But if you are really confident to even 10 okay, then you can do that. Yeah, if your reading is really good and you are not afraid of anything, then of course you can just 10 okay. But you know, even though we capture here, then we really have to find out the best answer. But I think the tiger's mouth is quite good move. Oh, but just this it was a bit not good. I think he's just better to play at the knight move. And okay, then let's press down and let him just keep playing around the second line for a few times. Yeah, like this. Then now I don't really have to take care for this group anymore. So let's get into the corner. Just now I told you that at the beginning, he used some special tactics. But of course this cannot be good for corner. If I play around here, I can restrict quite easily. Yeah, so now let him get the corner. But this is already quite concentrated. I don't have to get any more. Just I want to go to the side quickly. So I can just play two space jump, and then I'm looking for the next two space jump, and if he just approach, I can make the tiger's mouth. Yeah, of course, if he really want to take the corner, already I restrict his territory is not big enough. Yeah, so I can just do that and just go to the big place again. Now this one stone is really nothing. So now I think biggest is gonna be the left corner. Yeah, left the upper corner. And yeah, if I am black, maybe I will just invade here. Now is the timing of the invasion for black, but he didn't. So now my stones value is getting down. Even my 3 stones, 4 stones, this 1 stone is nothing. This 3 stones base is really perfect. That's why I can defend efficiently and protect the invasion. And then now his timing was one timing late compared to that I told you. So This time my mission is just making this become Willy territory. Yeah, before was not. Before he could invade any time that he want, but he hadn't invaded just now, so I have to defense naturally. Defense is really bigger at this moment. So now let's just go out. Now my mission is making the no value place at the center. So I don't have to make the bigger territory and just play naturally. Then before you can feel that, it's capturing two stones were quite not valuable. So yeah, let's just try to defense. And here still has Aji, but this time I have a many supporter. I can try to just capture him if he really invade. Yeah, but I can understand he has to make something right now. Otherwise, his territory condition is not gonna be okay. So of course he has to do like attachment here. This one. Oh, since this is quite light, yeah, it's not deep enough. Then I can just defense here. Yeah, my territory condition is already good. Okay, good enough, and even I can just try to capture the 3 stone. But now it's like we are going to the end game. So the end game normally we are playing at the center, but even I don't know how to play at the center. Yeah, just let's just throw some stone, some valuable place from my head position. And if we can't find any better place at the center, then of course we can go to the corner or side. But somehow this game has not many places at the corner or side. Just however I'm gonna share at the center. Yeah. I am okay when he get in here. I can just make the center here. Okay, he wanna make the territory. Of course I have to give it to him. Oh, yeah. Suddenly he just get in here. Then is it okay? Is it really possible? Okay, just let's punch. Just follow the logic. Then I don't really have to care here right now. Just try to break his territory. Then now this one stone is getting damage, and then okay, I don't really have to take care of these 2 stones. This 2 stones value is getting down, so I'm happy to give it to him. When he just capture and just focus on this fighting, however I can separate. And not just one crack. Up to you, everybody. Yeah, just connect. Or maybe he might think about to capture this group. But now these 3 stones are still in danger. So if I can capture these 3 stones and at any time I can make 2 eyes. Because I will have a middle position at here. And also I can have one more eye here. So I don't really have to take care of this group. I will just keep focus on at the center. And okay, stable move. And just I'm telling him you can cut if you want anytime. I can accept and just defense efficiently. If you just answer, then I don't really have to take care of this connecting as well, because when you push and cut I can throw this one stone away, Atari, and connect. So this one stone getting value is getting down. I don't really have to connect. So something I can play at the center, which is valuable. And now this black's group base is not really stable, so we really have to be careful for this group, otherwise he might be captured. Yeah, so he has to make the base with one space jump and try to go out to center. I think that's the best way from now. If I'm black, maybe I will play like that, because otherwise if I to white to try to peep here and then peep couple times, then black's eye shape is in trouble. Yeah, but now he didn't defense, he really wants to attack. But you know, basically white is connected to each other. So okay, let's try to use the some Tesuji from now. I think around here. Yeah, this peep is quite great enough, and black is in big trouble, you see. Yeah, like now, and when I just push here, and then he can do that, but I will just step back. However, I am ready to beat his weakness. Yeah, he must Atari, no other way. Then I can just save my 3 stones. Then now somehow black will feel very harder to take care of this center group. Yeah, now he has to just connect. Of course he has a one eye if he plays here, but the problem is that there is no time to get 2 eyes. Yeah, black really doesn't have a timing to do that. So became black was in danger because at the middle fighting, black had some overplay and wrong direction. Yeah, that was the reason. Yeah, I was just waiting. So as you've seen it, it's not really easy to get two eyes. Yeah, even though black tried his best. Even I can't say if I'm black right now. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, just before was the mistake. Yeah. Okay, now I just need to answer. Yeah, I think around this is okay for this game. How did you watch for this game? Yeah, here's keep playing, but I don't think there was important after this because black two groups are already captured, so I can play this game until now. So if your level is around the 2 dan, or if you really want to reach for 2 dan level, so I'm pretty sure this video will be helpful and it will be fun for you. So if you enjoyed to watch for this video, then please like and subscribe. Then see you guys next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.